Looking to boost your garage door company's website rankings in Google and bring in more leads? Stratedia has the solution. With Stratedia's tailored SEO strategies for garage door companies, you'll get a custom-built WordPress website that adapts to any device, packed with optimized content and designed to load lightning fast. Proven SEO techniques that target high-converting keywords like garage doors near me, garage door repairs near me, garage door installation near me, and more. We'll also supercharge your local SEO to expand your Google Map listing visibility across your service area, driving more leads right to your website. But that's not all. Stratedia offers a full suite of services to grow your garage door business, including Google and Facebook ad management, social media management, email marketing, and graphic design. Ready to take your garage door company to the next level? Stratedia is here to get you to the top. Call us today for a free website audit or sign up now.